privacy regulators worldwide, working through the Global Privacy Assembly, issued a joint warning about AI tools that create realistic images and videos of real people without asking for consent. While acknowledging AI's many benefits, they raised concern about harms like non-consensual intimate images, defamation, and risks to children. The statement urges organizations to put strong safeguards in place, be transparent, remove harmful content, and work closely with regulators so that innovation does not undermine privacy, dignity, and basic rights. This sounds like a very laudable goal. Al, do you think anybody's going to listen?
You know, I doubt it. And that's disappointing because this absolutely is a very laudable goal because, as we know, deepfakes, bad. Lots of harm has come already to people from fake content being created, and we're seeing increasing the use of fake AI-generated content to push a narrative that is not necessarily truthful. And so there is absolutely a problem here, but I'm not sure that a joint statement from a variety of underfunded privacy regimes or privacy agencies within a variety of small and large companies around the world is going to make a big difference. Uh, Absolutely having some ideas that there may be legal issues with deepfakes around the world, and we know lots of legal frameworks are really struggling with keeping up with the capabilities of AI. The frameworks that we have are based around humans taking action at the speed of humans, not AI generating terrible fake content at the speed of AI. So there's some real challenges to be seen. And this is just a sort of beginning framework ideas of you need to have strong safeguards, you need to have meaningful transparency, you need to have accessible mechanisms for takedowns of harmful content. And well, won't somebody think of the children? We must also be addressing some of the specific risks towards children, age-appropriate content being delivered for children, and also appropriate content being generated about children. I like that there is a global group of privacy organisations. I particularly like that New Zealand's Privacy Commissioner is one of the signatories to this piece of work. Uh, but so far, it's just saying, yes, there are bad things out there and you should take steps to not do bad things rather than anything that'll make a difference, because of course the almighty dollar is what's driving people to do these deep fakes, create this content, or also that maybe there's also bad people out there in the world, and bad people won't follow good guidance, will they? This just feels like a lot of hand wringing and not a lot of action to me. I think it will be important as we move forward in life to consider that not everything that you read, not everything that you see is truthful. Of course, here at The Rundown, we bring you some handcrafted artisanal truth, not some AI-generated truth.